So my parents are non-Muslim, so they don't fast, and I'm hiding them fasting from them. I want to know, is it permissible for me to buy groceries like vegetables or eggs, or like cook extra food for myself and store it leftover in the fridge where they might use or cook with these things?
If you are buying groceries while fasting, this is totally permissible. What is not permissible is to cook food or to bring food for those who would eat during the daytime of Ramadan, who are supposed to be fasting, whether Muslims or non-Muslims. So this is an issue that a lot of the ignorant Muslims, unfortunately, make a hype out of. Whenever I write something on Twitter and related to this subject, you get a lot of haters commenting seriously stupid comments. You guys are making yourself so small, so negligible. You have no knowledge. And yet and I post a fatwa from the reputed scholars of Islam. And they say, oh, this is this and that, and they start to argue. Dogs that bark don't bite. So leave them alone. But Islamically, it is not permissible for us to assist Muslims or non-Muslims who do not fast during the daytime of Ramadan to eat and violate the rulings of fasting during the daytime of Ramadan. If the Muslim is sick, or a child, or someone who's menstruating, not obliged to fast, yes, we can assist them. There's no problem in that. But other than that, it is not permissible. So if you buy groceries for yourself or cook food for yourself so that you can eat it after you break your fast, that's totally fine. But if you know that they're going to eat it and use it during the daytime of Ramadan, your non-Muslim parents, you should not do that.
And we know that masturbation is a sinful act, and when done during fasting and ejaculating, this leads to breaking of the fast. So he's asking, if a person had fallen in such a filthy sin, what is expiation of that? The answer is, this is a frequently asked question, because a lot of the Muslims usually think that doing such a filthy sin during the daytime of Ramadan would mean that they have to fast 60 days, 2 consecutive months. And this is a misconception. If you break your fasting, whether by eating, drinking, or masturbating, you have to make up for that day after repenting and asking Allah for forgiveness and showing extreme and sincere remorse. But the 60 days or the 2 consecutive months are the penalty for a person who has sexual intercourse during the daytime of Ramadan. So this is different than masturbating, and I hope this answers your question.